Hi guys, welcome to the Print Haven. My name is Enny, and in this video what I'm going to be showing you is the top 5 print-on-demand products that will make you profitable in 2022. You may have heard of Printful, you may have heard of Printify. Well, I'm about to show you what the Print Haven can do for you when it comes to print-on-demand. Let's go. Hi guys, welcome back to the Print Haven. Now in this video, like I said, we're going to be going through the top 5 print-on-demand products that you can make money off this 2022 with the Print Haven. And before we go into details, if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, please click the subscribe button below. Also, if you know you love all these videos that we're making, please click the notification bell so that anytime we do nice and lovely videos like this, you will be the first to be notified. And obviously you should like this video, because this video is literally going to teach you how to make money off print on demand in Nigeria. So without further ado, let's jump into it. The first product that you can use to make money online in Nigeria with print on demand has to be the face cap. Right? Why do I love this face cap? Number one, you can begin to personalize face caps for different types of people. You know, you could write their name over here just like that. You could use very high quality face caps, you know, high quality face caps from the United States, maybe, or maybe from the UK or from Bangladesh. These are the kind of high quality products that we can provide for you here in Nigeria, and you could gain high quality clients simply by selling this awesome face cap. I'm just gonna wear it, you know, it actually looks good. It feels real good too. So I'm definitely sure that your customers and your people are gonna like it. If also you're an influencer, or maybe you already have a following, and you know you want that following to just represent you, rep your brand and whatnot, this face cap is something you can definitely give out to them or make them purchase from you. So moving on to the next one. Now the next one is very simple. It has to be the Thermoflux, right? This Thermoflux helps you to keep hot things hot and cold things cold, basically. And as you can see here, is personalized faith over here. This particular person wanted to do something for the Christianity niche, right? The Christianity niche is basically selling stuff to promote religion in terms of Christianity, right? And they basically gave out these bottles, in their church, and they sold it to some people as well as a means of donation, to charities and whatnot. All the money they made off of selling all these bottles to people, they actually donated it out to different charities. And these are the kind of things that we love to do here at the Print Haven. Remember, if you haven't yet subscribed, click that subscribe button right now. If you haven't yet liked this video, come on, why are you not liking it yet? By the way, all these products are coming at a discounted price. If you are going to be using them for print on demand, all you just have to do is register. Right there in the link in the description below is going to show you how to register, for as a print on demand seller, and how we can start to deliver the products, to your customers. You don't even need to do anything. All you have to do is design, send us your design, and we will ship it down. Send us your design, sell it online, sell it wherever, and we will ship it down to your customers, right? Now the third one that we're going to go into is pillows. I love pillows. I love pillows a lot. The reason why I love pillows a lot is because I like to have a nice nap sometimes. Everybody likes a nice nap, right? Especially when the body is tired and whatnot. But these particular pillows, I love them because I may have mentioned them before. They are the lovey-dovey pillows, right? So they are 2-in-1, and the reason why we made them 2 is so that you are even much more profitable as a print-on-demand business. If you choose that you want to sell pillows, you can do love pillows like this. You give one to the male couple, and then you give one to the female couple right there, and then both of them get one piece of each pillow, right? And these pillows go at a discounted price, like I've said before. If you are using them for print on demand. You just have to register with us as a seller, and like I said, you could always check out the link in the description below to register. Now, these lovey-dovey pillows, you can see we can have anything imprinted on it right here. As you can see, these are love quotes right here for both the male and the female that are going to be using these pillows, and we'll definitely print them, we'll definitely package them, and we'll definitely deliver them to your customers directly without you having to do any stress, right? So now moving on to the third item, tote bags, right? Tote bags are recently something that has been into fashion lately, right? A lot of people, they carry out these tote bags, they carry them out like when they are going out. Lots of people don't even know that, you know, tote bags can be made here in Nigeria. Some people are trying to import it from China and whatnot. You don't have to go through all those stress. You don't have to import anything. I'm literally telling you right now, as an e-commerce guy, as you know, someone who has worked with the Print Haven for a while, you could literally go online right now and get these tote bags, right? And get this tote bag. Look at how beautiful it is. Look at how beautiful the printing is, right? You can literally go out right now, get these tote bags, put it online for sale, and someone is going to buzz you up and that they want to buy right now. And we're going to sell it at a discounted price to you, because we know that you are reselling the products, you know, from the print on demand perspective. And these are definitely products that we can happily do for you quickly as possible, and we can get them to your customers or to you directly. So remember to order from the Print Haven. Now, before I go into the last and final one, I do want to tell you, I have a bonus one that I'm going to be showing you guys. It's a full-blown package, right? High-end package that you can use for print on demand. I have personally used it and it has worked for me, and I'm going to be showing you in the next video exactly how I did that. So watch out for the next video, and also wait till the end so that I can show you what's in this box, because it's inside this box, right? So the final item that I highly recommend, that is part of the top 5 print on demand products, right, that you can go out now and start selling and start making money for yourself here in Nigeria, is the wireless Bluetooth speaker, right? This wireless Bluetooth speaker is amazing because it is basically your Netflix and chill buddy, right? So if you've always wanted to Netflix and chill, or you have an audience that's always wanted to Netflix and chill, or or maybe you're an influencer, or maybe you do little skits and whatnot, and you want people to watch you more online, watch your skits more, you can do this as a bonus for them, do like a giveaway for them and whatnot, or you can make them purchase it as part of your product, right? We would be the ones to personalize either your brand or the person's name or whatever you want. Right here, over here, as you can see how it lights up right there. It also comes with a wireless charging right here, so when you place your phone on it right here, it's going to start charging. I do not have my phone with me. If not, I would have done that for you, but you can check out our other videos which might pop up here concerning this particular Bluetooth speaker. I don't really want to spend much time on it, but yeah, the sound is absolutely amazing. It has a speaker side here, and also it has another speaker side here as well. This is the on and off button, as you can see right here, and basically this is one of the best products that we have right here in the Print Haven, and guaranteed a lot of Nigerians, they love to watch their Netflix, a lot of Nigerians, they would love to watch their football matches on their phone, and this just makes it easy because as you watch it on your phone, you can easily be charging your phone wirelessly at the same time. So that being the final product of the top 5 print on demand products you can use to make money in Nigeria this 2022 from the Print Haven, well, I'm going to be showing you in this box the package, right? The print on demand full package that you can be using to make money for yourself. So I'm going to open it up. All right, so now opening it up right now, you can see that there is a bunch of stuff. Basically, this is a pen, this is a journal, and this is a bottle, right? But these are not just anyhow stuff, right? These are curated classic gifts. This is for more mature people who are CEOs, who are in business, who are elite group of people, right? You have a fancy pen with the Alex Varga personalized, Alex Varga design rather. the pen is personalized. However, the designer of the pen is Alex Varga. right? And also you have the design here as well, you know, for that. And as you can see, the pen is absolutely wonderful right here. You can see the three stuff with the pen as well. And you can also see that this pen is absolutely well done. It's basically done properly. It has three other nodes that you can fix into the pen itself, and I don't want to waste much time on this pen. I could go on and on about it, but I want to show you the rest of the product. So let's just go to the next product. You also have a nice looking journal right here by Alex Varga as well. As you can see right here, the Alex Varga journal is really special because it comes with the gold trimmings right at the edge of each journal, and it just makes it look extra classy, you know, extra special. And it also comes personalized. We can get this personalized as well as a gift. So you can also the bottle is also Alex Varga. These are Alex Varga collection, right? Alex Varga personalized gift collection. That's what this box is. And you know, as you can see, I'm just showing you guys, I'm pulling it out. This is also customized here. You know, Alex Varga is the designer that designed these bottles. These are designer bottles. They're as good as Gucci, as your Louis Vuitton. You know, if you have someone who loves all those kind of stuff, this is the kind of gift they would appreciate. So whether you want to personalize something for the high class people online and you want to sell it off online, this is the perfect product for you. Or maybe you just want to do print on demand and, you know, sell a bunch of stuffs like a cap, a nice bottle, and a bunch of pillows, then this is probably also great for you as well. So if you're here in Nigeria, please do not think that print on demand is not doable as a business, or is not doable as something here in Nigeria, or you need to import something from somewhere. No, you don't. The Print Haven helps you to import and even to deliver the stuff when it's printed. So that brings me to the end of this video. And this video, I hope that if you have enjoyed it, you please like this video. And if you know that you would love to see the next video when I actually show you like how to set up an e-commerce setup that's going to help you sell these products online, yeah, you should actually turn on the notification bell, and also you should like this video, subscribe to this channel. We'll always keep on bringing out lovely videos for you guys. Until next time, my name is Enny. This has been the Print Haven, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.